replacing the belts and heat tape on your packaging machine. Before you proceed, just make sure that you've got the power turned off at the mains. When you've removed the side covers, you'll see the machine like this. In the pack, you'll get 2 heat belts and 1 high temperature heat tape. To remove the belts, you first of all push towards yourself this section here. This is on a spring, and you'll see this will loosen up the belt. Once it's like this, you can then remove the belt. Sometimes it does take a little bit of effort to get these off because they are under tension. You inspect the belt. If you find there is damage like this one, this started to fray here, so this belt will need replacing. You get your new belt and you'd fit that on. Now, before fitting the belt, the replacement belt, it's important to check and inspect the heat tape that runs along and round. If there is damage to the heat tape, it would be worth replacing this. This is just adhesive tape. You would remove it and install new tape in place of it. Once the tape's in, just make sure that's pushed down and that will adhere to the surface. With your new belt, you pop that on, and again, using the tensioner, tension that and push that over this part here. Now you will find, because of the gap, it is quite difficult to get this bit over. So what I recommend is just moving this part as well, and you'll see the rubber rollers move away from each other, giving you a little bit of space to push that in, and that will go over. Once this is done, you then pop the side covers back over. Once they're back in place, you then switch the power back on and you're good to go.